Featuring the best lock systems from Schlage and Primus, South Shore Locksmith provides fast, prompt, professional locksmith services at affordable prices. We install new locks and repair existing ones, and rekey locks, and help you with home lockouts, and also install high security systems, panic devices, and more. We're always there for you when you need us most, with a 100% satisfaction guarantee on all of our work. Protect your home, your family, and your business. Contact the experienced locksmiths at South Shore Locksmith today. South Shore Locksmith, your lock and key experts.